Thank you for purchasing the Secure Lynx Indoor camera. To get started, open the box and you should see 4 items: the Lynx Indoor camera and mount, a power supply unit, the setup instructions, and a small plastic bag with screws and wall anchors. You are now ready to start the setup for your camera. To start the setup for your Lynx Indoor camera, please make sure your phone is connected to your personal Wi-Fi network and that you have a strong signal. It's usually best to start your setup with the camera in the same room as your router or as close to the router as possible to get the strongest signal. You can always move the camera later once it has been set up. Next, you need to download the Secure app. You can find the app by searching for it in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. There are other apps with a similar name, so you want to make sure you are looking at the Secure app. Here's what it looks like. At this point, do not open the app. Now it's time to plug in your Lynx Indoor camera. Connect the power cord to the back of the camera and plug the cord into a working power outlet. First, you will see the LED light on the bottom left of the camera flash green. Next, you will see the LED lights alternate from green to orange, indicating the camera is now ready for setup. Please note, this may take up to 2 minutes from when the camera is first powered on. Next, go to the Settings menu on your smart device. Under your Wi-Fi networks, you will find a network that begins with Lynx Indoor, followed by 4 digits. These last 4 digits will match the last 4 digits on the MAC ID located on the sticker on the back of your Lynx Indoor camera. Next, select your Lynx Indoor camera's network and wait for your phone to connect. Once your phone is connected to the Lynx Indoor camera's Wi-Fi, you may go to your Secure app on your phone and open it. The setup process begins by choosing a name for your camera. Once you type in the name of your camera, press the Next button. The camera name will be displayed in your camera list during viewing. You will now see a list of Wi-Fi networks. Please choose your personal Wi-Fi network, then enter your password and press Next. This may take a few minutes to connect to the server. On the next screen, you can create a new user account. If you already have an account and are setting up multiple cameras, please press the I already have an account button. Otherwise, press the I'm creating a new account button, fill out the form, and press the Continue button. Once the camera has been registered to an account, you will be prompted to log in. Once logged in, it may take up to 2 minutes for your camera to come online. You are now ready to use your new Secure Lynx Indoor camera.